tell me what is the difference between map and filter function?
Sir, function map function iterates each element of the array, and it returns all the elements of the array, which are in the original array. But in the filter function, in filter function, a conditions apply on the array, or it returns the original length of the array or shorter than the original length of the array.
Can you explain programmatically? Just take a small example. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So look at this. I take an array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I apply the map method in this array, and I want that each element of my array doubled. Okay, so I use a map method, and I write the condition I is equal to I dot multiply by 2, and then I
Mm-hmm.
got result 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
it returns the original length of the array. Okay, sir.
Okay.
And then second, in filter method, I apply the condition the item is greater than 3 only returns item greater than 3. Then it returns 4 and 5, which are total length of the original array.
Okay. So you can see that you are using the filter, right? Filter method.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you write your own custom filter method which works same as a filter? So suppose here you are using ARR dot filter. Okay.
So
I
your
just
voice is so loud. Can you speak lower?
sorry.
Your voice are very loud.
You can reduce the sound from your computer. Okay. So I am just saying that you are using ARR dot filter method, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I use ARR dot own filter, I replace filter with own filter, which
Okay.
works same as filter method. It means
Okay.
you have to use your own customized filter method, which named as own filter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me. Is it working?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ARR dot on filter item is greater than this. So what you did in this code, can you just explain?
Yes, sir. Sir, first I use a array because it's an array method. So I array the prototype and then my name of my filter method, and it's like a function, a function, a callback. Okay, sir. And then I know that the function method returns a array, so I took a new array, and then for iterating for each element, I use a for loop, and there where it this refers to the this ARR. Okay, sir. And
Mm-hmm.
then I apply a condition then if callback this callback element is satisfy your condition, yeah, if it's true, then it's a new array dot push
Then actually
the
just explain the condition, what you uh, have written in this condition.
okay, sir. The callback takes three arguments. First the current element, second the index, and third the array itself. Okay, sir. So this refers
Mm-hmm.
to the array, and I refers to the index, and this I of I current the current element of the array. Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I then I condition is that if my callback of this matlab, means if my condition is true, then the element of the array, current element of the array are pushing in this new array.
And why you are using array dot prototype? What does that mean?
Sir, array dot property means it's on the array properties, the properties of the array method, because its array have its own properties. Then if by using prototype on filter, it takes all the properties of the array function.
Okay. So tell me, what is the difference between slice and splice method?
The slice method is used to take a portion. Slice method is used to take of the portion of the array. I explain this. Can I explain?
Sorry?
Can I explain the slice method by using an example?
Yeah, you have to take the example.
Okay. So I take this array. Just so con. So see, sir. So slice method is used for taking the portion of the array. It takes two arguments. First is the starting point of the element, and the second is the last index of the element. In
So
this example,
is it modified the original array or not?
no, sir, it's not modify the original array. It's only take the portion of the array and it's written in new array. See, sir. It's super nice.
You can use any another compiler like JSFiddle you can use so that uh, it will JSFiddle you can use if it is not working.
No, it's working. See, sir. Sir,
Okay, so
it's
this is the
not.
slice, right?
Yes, sir.
And what's the splice?
Sir, splice method is used to delete or add the elements in add some elements in the array. It take originally it take two elements. First element is starting point, and second we want which oh, sorry, how much elements we want to delete. If we add anything, then we can use extra arguments. Can I explain this?
Yeah. Why it is coming the empty array? What it is? Why it is displaying empty array?
Sir, if empty array is displayed because splice method is a returns array of the deleting element. But I did know I was no, I am not deleting any element because if I is zero, so it returns me empty array. But
Mm-hmm.
or secondly, it does not it mutates the original array. If I add anything, then it mutates the original array. Say I add the Rahul and Gupta, and we add
Mm-hmm.
element because I give second starting point of second index when I add it. If I delete anything from here, then it's written in delete in answer element array. Sorry.
Mm-hmm. What is the use of flat map?
The flat map is used to remove the arrays used to remove the arrays element inside the arrays. Like it's flat the arrays
Remove.
arrays. Yes sir. Like
Mm-hmm.
yes sir. So it's remove the curly braces of this element and it returns a simple element like simple array like this.
So your output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1D array, right?
1 2 3 5
1, 2, 3,
5 yes
5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5. Okay, just do that. Use the flat map and display the output.
okay
Don't delete anything. Okay, no issue then.
okay so
Is
sir
it
let's
is it change the original array or not?
sir flat map does not change the original I think so sir. I am not confirmed for this.
Okay, we will confirm it, but you are correct. But just show the output.
Okay, using recursion or using reduce function sir?
Only flat map you have to use.
Only flat. Okay.
Flat map. It's not flat map.
What's the flat map?
Flat map. Yes. Okay, just leave it. No issue. Tell me what. Tell me how to fetch the data from the API by using async await in JavaScript. Can you do that?
Yes, yes, yes.
You can use any API like JSON placeholder if you know about it. Okay.
So can I use VS Code for this?
You can use. You can use JSON placeholder, I think. JSON placeholder API. Yes,
Hello.
done. Yes, can you hear me? Hello? 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 Hello, can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, yes, sorry, my network is
Okay, no issue. Have you got the API link?
uh, 1 second. Give me 1 second.
Actually, wait. Uh, I have sent you the
Yes.
API link. Okay, you can use that in the chat section.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Hello.
okay, you are getting the data, right?
Yes, sir.
Show me the code.
Yes,
Okay, so fetch data, you are using function. Okay, okay, go to your output screen.
yes, sir.
Okay, so in this output format, you can focus on the name. You can see that name is not in a sorted order. Okay, each like name property. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to sort this data according to the name property. It means that the name which starts with A come first, then B, then C, right?
Okay, sir.
If two names are started with the same alphabet, let's say Aman and Arun, then it will compare with the second alphabet, right, of that word.
Okay.
So basically your data should be in a sorted way based on the name property. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Rahul.
Yes, sir.
No, I want the complete data, not only the name. I just want the complete data, whatever you are getting from the API. Okay. This
Okay,
complete
but
data I want with sorted order. Okay.
okay.
So you need some time.
Yes, sir.
So why you are
Mostly,
using the map and sort?
sir, math function for
You can directly use the sort now, like result dot sort and then a comma b return a dot name if a dot name greater than b dot name, like that. Return minus one if b dot name greater than a dot name, then return one, like that. If you know about it, do you know about it? Because directly sort method, it works only for the number type, right? It will not work directly.
sir, I know that. No, sir, directly on string for numbers, if you use a
Right. But it's like a property, right? What you can do is you can check with if a dot name is greater than b dot name, right? Because you have to sort the data based on the name property, right?
yes, sir. Yes,
Then return minus one if you know about that.
yes, one second.
Rahul, listen. If a dot name is greater than b dot name, in that case you can return what? One. Okay. If
Okay, sir.
a dot name is less than b dot name, in that case you can return minus one. Else zero. Why you are complicated this code with multiple if and else? Just you can use a simple like, or I think zero is not required. Yeah, run it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it
Sir,
correct now?
yes, sir. I do this first time, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, yes, sir. It's first time.
GHIK. Wait. Go to your output screen.
Output?
Output screen. Go to your output screen. I have to check the output whether it is correct or not. Okay. E G G. It is correct, right?
Yes, sir. It's correct.
Okay. So can you explain me what you did in this code?
Sir, in this for sorting,
Yeah.
for sorting in JavaScript, there is to the first for numbers we direct use the sort method. But for your string,
Hmm.
sorry, for string we directly use the we can we directly use sort method. But in in numbers or other type data type, we cannot use direct sort method. So we use we take two parameters a and b, and then we compare the a to b, and then we sort the data. In this case, if there is two condition. If a dot name means if the first element dot name is greater than second element of dot name, then it's written one. Yeah, it means it's true. And if it does not true, then it's written -1.
Okay, go to your output screen once again.
Yes.
Okay, so here what you have to do is now um, print those username which is mm, print only those name. Okay, not the
Okay.
name only. Okay, print the complete data for the user which has name start with C, first name start with C. Okay, and end with H. Name which is start with C and end with H. So like user ID 5 and 3 will print, right? The complete data of ID 5 and 3 will print, right?
Okay.
You got it?
Yes, sir. I can try.
Yeah. So Rahul, what you can do is you can directly use the regex, okay? But right now let's move to the different problem. Just try to finish it after the interview, okay?
Okay, sir.
So go to your chat section.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, here you can see that there is two objects, user and user one, right?
Okay.
So in user there is a name property and user one there is an age property. Now I want to print the name property of user in a user one context. Okay, so when I use user one dot name, when I type user one dot name, it should print Rahul. Okay, I want to print the name property or I want to access name property of the user in the user one context. Okay,
Okay,
you cannot do like that user one. You cannot do like assign the name property to the user one like name double colon then user dot name. Okay, you can not give like that. Why it is not working? Because user one dot underscore underscore proto underscore underscore, I think.
After you will undefined.
But two times underscore underscore, I think.
Yeah, it's your right.
Now it's printing, right?
Yes,
Okay, function is called first class function in JavaScript, right? Why?
sir. The function is called first class function JavaScript because we can use functions as a variable. We can use it as an argument in other function, and we can return the function from the another function.
Hmm?
Sir, because we can use our functions as a variable, we can store our function in variable. We can use our function as a argument, or we can also return our function from
What do
another
you
function.
understand by the IIFE, IIFE in JavaScript?
Sir, if we is a immediate invoke function in JavaScript, if we
Can you
want
write
to,
the syntax? Can you write the syntax for the if?
yes, it take two parentheses, yes.
Mm-hmm. Run this code, okay, with proper name.
Yes, different. It takes two parentheses, first for function declaration and second is for function expression, the second for function declaration.
Mm-hmm. So
Okay.
when we use this ify type syntax,
Yes, yes. Sir, if when we want to immediate invoking immediate or function because if in this type uh, we can use this for private data, for store of private data, because in this function we cannot access this function in our other scope in our code. It's only defined in after only defined with this code syntax.
okay, okay. So thank you, Rahul. Thanks for your time. I will update your feedback after some time. Okay.
Okay, so thank you, sir. Thank you for
Yeah.
your
Thank you.
valuable time.
Thank you.